Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel English with Harendra. Today I am here because I want to improve myself. Today I am here because I want to share something with you because you are my YouTube family. So first today 26th day has been completed to challenge to speak English 30 day. So today is 27 day has been completed. I am very excited. I am enthusiastic. I am very feel confident and day by day because I am doing practice and hard work also. And I am making a video every day without any gap. So do you want to speak English fluently? So please watch this video till the end. Today I am share all these things what I am facing in 26 day. Firstly, I would like to say that I have started a one day. I used to fear of camera. I have lot of fear face to camera and all these things. My mind was blank that day, but I have decided I want to remove this fear. I want to face this camera every day without any hesitation. So now I am here. I can speak English confidently. I am not a good speaker, but right now I can speak English and I share my thought in front of lot of people. So you can see now I can speak English. So what do you want to do and what did I do every day without any gap? How can I get this fluency and how can I speak English? So I would like to tell you everything what I am facing problem and hurdles, barriers, so many things. Yes. So firstly you should start speaking because you should not starting speaking and you always think I want to become fluent speaker in this language. So you cannot be because you cannot start. Yet you have to start. After that you have to find your mistake while speaking English. Okay, it's very important. People want to speak English fluently, but they do not want to do practice every day. They do not want to learn every day. They do not want to speak every day. They want a magical trip, magical stick. Somebody give me and then I become a fluent speaker in my future, but it is not possible. It is not possible because this is a phase of learning. If you want to learn, so you have to face these type of problem. After that you have to become fluent speaker in this language. Okay, so you should start.